Guys, welcome to the course. In this video, we are going to see the HTML styles. So first of all, what is HTML styles? Attributes is HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. Okay. Now just coming to the code, like how to write the styles in the HTML. See here, let's open sublime text. Yes, see here you can see the styles. Okay, just type the tag style equal to color. So color you can keep red. Okay, then I'm red. Just type here the matter I'm red. Okay, next style equal to color blue. So here type I am blue. Okay, next font size. So keep font size 50 px. Okay, now save. See, you can see the three colors. Okay, I'm normal, I'm red, and I'm blue. Okay, red, blue. Okay, so now next coming to the HTML attributes. Okay, setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The following syntax: there's a tag name style equal to property dot value. Okay, is to value the property is the property is the css property. Okay, the value is css value. Okay, so css we will learning in the next course. Okay, next coming to the background color. So the css background color property defines the background color for an html element. So let us see an example. So how can we set this background color to our html page? Okay, for that, no, just type body style, body body style equal to, so body style equal to background color, body style equal background color powered blue. Okay, background color powder blue. Okay, next save. See, the background image is changed into the blue color. Okay, now you can see this html page background page is changed to the blue color. Okay, next one. So in this manner, we are going to write the program or background color. We can add a background color to our HTML page. Okay, so we can display the pages in this manner. Okay, now just change to the powder blue to the some other color. So for example, violet. Okay, now save. Just refresh. See, now the entire web page is changed into the violet. Okay, background color is changed into the violet. Okay, so thank you guys. In the next video, you will see the same more information about the HTML.